Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: live server or the extension you plan to use, plus the target browser installed on your machine. Once done, open VS Code and go straight to settings with Control+ or Command+ on Mac. You don't need to change global defaults yet. Instead, search for the extension name in Settings to scope preferences to the extension. Make sure the workspace is open if you want project-specific changes, and keep the browser name handy, as the next step requires exact spelling. Now you configure the extension to use your chosen browser. You navigate to the extension's Settings pane. For Live Server, find the setting labeled Default Browser or Custom Browser. You type the exact browser identifier such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox into that field and save. This tells the extension which executable to call. If you want this only for the current project, switch to Workspace settings and update there. Otherwise, change user settings for a global preference. Restart VS Code or reload the window to apply changes. You finish by testing. Run Live Server or the extension's launch command and watch which browser opens. If the wrong browser appears or nothing happens, make sure the browser identifier is exact and that the system path or executable path is accessible to VS Code. Some setups require full path configuration. If problems persist, open VS Code's output and extension log for error messages and reload the window after changes. One key troubleshooting tip: try setting the absolute path to the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.